Hi guys, today I am going to be opening an O.M.G. L.O.L doll. And right here, this pink arrow, it says, flip me upside down. So that's what I'm gonna do. And if you can see, that's her little sister. It says, chill out. And then there's gonna be some plastic around the whole box. I already took that off. And then you peel this part off. And then you, then there's like some string you might want to take off. And then have it like this. Then you open up right here. And then there's some neat surprises. And her little sister's there too. And there's a magazine. And let's open the big doll. Which will be in like the dressing room. And then you open it. There's another surprise stand, a hairbrush, and then like another piece of the stand. And I have to get her out. And she has nice pink tights on. She might have some jewelry on. This is hard. Be back in a second. Go get some scissors. You might need them for real. And then here's the doll. This is how she comes. Cute hair, cute little outfit. And then we have her little sister. And her, oh my gosh. Then her little sister's bottle. And we have boxes, and we have some like little hanging things that you open to put like clothes in. Another one. That's it in this box. And then it came with this. Mosquito the trash over. Let's get opening. Opening. Whoa. Then it comes with this. I'm not really sure what it is, but I can always look on the box. Oh, it's for her neck. Have it with this sister. My sister just got back. And then it comes with this other cute little skirt. This goes on the neck.
Oh, always I started doing it.
Gorgeous little purse. Here's my sister. She's about to do a video, but I'm not gonna say what it is. Well, at least I'll show you. She's about to do a video on these. And there will be a link in the description below for O.M.G. L.O.L dolls.
Oh, and Fred's toys.
On her channel, not on mine. O.M.G. y'all. There's like mini earrings. I'm gonna put them in her so I don't lose them. Put them on her, not in her. So I don't lose them.
Will they stay on her forever?
No, you can take them out. Here.
I love this. It's so cute. When you got me, when I had been wanting. No, a dire world.
Here's her with her earrings on it. They're pretty cute.
Now can we do my video? I saw blue.
And then
Wait, look at that blue spot. Wait, look at that blue spot.
And then this is like to go around her waist. And these are for her arms. And then some cute little earmuffs. Some sunglasses. A phone. That's broken. She broke her phone, I guess. If you
Let
can
me
see, it like has a little shatter on it.
Let me see. I can't see a salad. Yes, he may have broke her phone.
Let's get her dressed.
I guess he's already half dressed. So after she's dressed, we'll read in my video.
Sorry about that.